Now next one, it is given x to the power a equals to y to the power b equals to xy to the power c. Then find the relation between a, b and c. Okay. Now what is given? From here we start. Let this equals to k, where k not equals to 0. So x to the power a equals to k, that means x equals to k to the power 1 by y. Then same way, y is coming k to the power 1 by b, and xy is coming k to the power 1 by c. Now you see, we know x in terms of k, we know y in terms of k, so here we will put that k to the power 1 by a into k to the power 1 by b equals to k to the power 1 by c. Clear? Now this is same base multiplication, so power will be added. So 1 by a plus 1 by b equals to k to the power 1 by c. Now from both sides base same, therefore we can write power 1 by a plus 1 by b equals to 1 by c. So this is the required relation between a, b and c. Now next one, it is given this. It is important. Okay. Next one. (64 to the power x equals to 48 to the power y equals to 36 to the power z). Then prove that, you have to prove 1 by x plus 1 by z equals to 2 by y. Clear? Now what is given? See, there is a trick. You have to follow that. Okay. Here from here we will consider again, let this equal to k, k not equals to 0. Therefore, we can write 64 equals to k to the power 1 by x, 48 equals to k to the power 1 by y, and 36 equals to k to the power 1 by z. Clear? Now, this is the trick. We will multiply this and this. 64 into 36. So right hand side, k to the power 1 by x into k to the power 1 by z. Now 64. 64 means we can write 8 square here. 8 square, and 36 means 6 square, and right hand side multiplication, so it will be added here. Now 8 into 6 means 48 whole square equals to k to the power 1 by x plus 1 by z. Why I have done? Now you see, we have got, after this we have got 48. Now 48 equals to, we know, k to the power 1 by 1. Right hand side we have got x and z. But what to prove? We have to prove that 1 by x plus 1 by z equals to 2 by y. So we need y. From where we get? From this. 48 equals to k to the power 1 by y. That's why I have multiplied these, first one and third one. Then we have got 48. Now I will change 48 in terms of k to the power 1 by z. Now see, 48 means k to the power 1 by y, and there is square equals to k to the power 1 by x plus 1 by z. So k to the power, open the bracket, here. Now see, both sides, as base is same, therefore we can equate the power. Therefore, we can write from here 1 by x plus 1 by z equals to 2 by y. This you have to prove. Clear? And this one you will practice. It may come in 3 marks type question. Clear? Then next one. Okay. From this book I can do. You have got this book. That is Amitabh Mitra and Subrata Datta. This one I am doing. X to the power p equals to y to the power q equals to x y to the power pq. Then show that p plus q equals to 1. Okay. Now again we will consider let this equals to k not equals to 0. So from here what we can write, x equals to k to the power 1 by p, y k to the power 1 by q, and xy equals to k to the power 1 by pq. Now x in terms of k to the power 1 by p, and y in terms of k to the power 1 by q, and right hand side this. Clear? Or base same, power will be added in case of multiplication. So we are doing that. Now this. Then next one, base same, so we will equate the power. Therefore 1 by p plus 1 by q equals to 1 by pq. Now take LCM. So it is coming q plus p equals to 1 by pq. Now from both sides we can cancel pq from denominator. Therefore q plus p or p plus q same, doesn't matter. So p plus q equals to 1. This we have to prove. This type of sum, you have got this book, so you will practice this type of sum from your book. P plus q equals to 1. Yeah. Then one solve I am doing from this book. Two to the power x minus 2 to the power x minus 1 equals to 4. Then calculate the value of x to the power x. Again I am telling that you will read the question properly. From here you will get the value of x and you will end there. No, not that. You have to calculate the value of this. Or this we can write here. I am separating this. Equals to right hand side 2 square we can write. Now we can take 2 to the power x common. So it is becoming 1 by 2. Power is negative. So we can write in this form. Here. Or 2 minus 1, that means 1 by 2. 2 square. Then again it will go in numerator, it is becoming minus 1 equals to 2 square. Or multiplication base same, therefore we can write 2 to the power x minus 1 equals to 2 square. Clear? Then x minus 1 equals to 2, x equals to 3. So you have to finally you have to find out the value of x to the power x. That answer is 27. So in so many videos we have got laws of indices chapter. From reference book also I have finished. From reference I have finished from board book, and from reference book also some problems I have done. So now it is up to you. You will practice, and next video you will get from next chapter. Okay, laws of indices chapter over. Bye.